All right, taking a little pit stop, y'all. Something on my hat. So on this Dash Chronicle, this is gonna be like a little story where I talk about till I get pinged again. I got a lot of stuff to edit, but I might upload this one pretty quick before the other ones, because I'm gonna start doing like the shorter stories and stuff, like real short stories, you know, in between dashes and stuff like that, and upload those. They may not have no editing or anything. So in this particular story, put that down. In this particular story, I just thought about something while I was kind of riding around and thinking about like signs and emblems and things of that nature. At one point, and I don't remember what car it was, but I know it was beyond 2008, my Dodge Spirit. It was probably on one of my olds. And in fact, I could have put it on the marquee in 2011. I don't know. But I remember ordering. It didn't last long because I just couldn't get the right thing. I think through Vistaprint. Vistaprint was where a lot of people got their business cards. Some of them look kind of janky until they started. A lot of the business card places started doing glossy business cards. I got a magnet. Okay. So it was a magnet about a little bigger than what I could put on this, you know, my hands with this phone here. It was, you know, like, but maybe this size of my hands, and then maybe one other half of a size, length, and then height maybe about this. And I put my phone number and saying I do PC repair. But now, for some reason, that magnet would not stick on the car correctly. It's stuck on there, and then sometimes it be hanging out. Eventually, I just took it off, and I didn't get another one. But that was during the time that that I was really, you know, my car was pretty much my PC repair vehicle. That's how I seen my car. So, you know, as I was saying in my earlier stories, I was between the years of 2008 to 2010, I was pretty much, you know, selling whatever I got my hands on. If it was something that I just didn't typically do and somebody owed me some money or whatever the case may be, I'd just get it off. Well, it didn't matter what it was. You know what I'm saying? So, but my main thing was to get the repairs. But like I say, sometimes people will owe me money. Somebody might owe me $500 or $450 or $250 or whatever. And they'll be like, hey, man, you know, I ain't got it, but I got this. I'm like, well, hey, let me get that real quick. You know what I'm saying? Because that wasn't something I'm trying to sell. I'm just getting it off. Or I might call up one of my homies or something and be like, hey, man, you know what I'm saying? So that's been my whole thing. What's interesting about my Dash Chronicles series is I kind of think back and reflect about my pops. My dad used to do dominoes. There's a picture of my pops I think I got on my phone. And he would drive, it wasn't no GPS and none of that back then. And I don't even think he had a map. I think he just kind of knew where stuff was in the area. But it kind of makes me think, you know, sometimes they say you might revert back to your parents' ideologies, thought processes, and even some of their actions, what they do. You know, as you age, you might wind up sounding like them. I think that's a genetic thing. I think that's an ancestral thing. You might wind up sounding, you might wind up sounding like them, talking like them, they accent, stuff like that. That stuff actually happens. And a lot of it I think is environmental, but I think some of that's actually ancestral, man. I think in your bloodline, eventually you just start becoming the person that one of your parents were as time goes. I don't know if there's any scientific evidence to base that off, but you know, scientists, they just know what the hell they study. These people don't have any cosmic spiritual intelligence or something. You know what I'm saying? They're not superheroes. They're going off of what they find and test, and you know, they may have a hypothesis or something, and you know, they're using what they call tacit learning and and all that kind of stuff. So, but that's for this dash here.